So just like in everything, we have 5 over y minus 2 plus 2. So this is a whole number equals 7, 6. So we're going to look for our LCD. Well, we know we need a y minus 2. You guys, the denominator here is 1, so we don't really need to worry about that denominator. And this denominator is 6, so we need a 6. You guys, remember, if you're in 8.2, you need to factor everything. We have one that we're going to factor. Now, what am I going to multiply each term by in this equation? 6 times y minus 2. You guys, anytime you go to multiply, just rearrange just always put your number in front of the parentheses. So this is different than 8.2 because this has an equal sign. You can't do this in 8.2 because it doesn't have an equal sign. Now what can I cancel out in the first term? Y minus 2, and I'm left with 6 times 5 plus, now you guys, this 2 can't cancel out because it's a numerator. I'm sorry, it's not a numerator, it's a whole number. So we're going to have 2 times 6 times y minus 2 equals, so because that 2 is a whole number, it just gets multiplied with everything. And then what do we get here? The 6 cancels out, and I'm left with 17 times y minus 2. So you need to be good at finding your LCD. Then you need to make sure, you guys take your time on these. Make sure you're taking your time and you're getting every piece of every term. So this becomes 30. This becomes 2 times 6 times y is 12y. 2 times 6 times 2 becomes 24. 17 times y, 17y, and 17 times 2. Now, let's go ahead and solve it. Now, the first thing you need to do is combine those like terms. So 30 minus 4 is positive 6. You guys, it's not every time that you're going to move everything to the right side. It just happens to be like this right now. So I'm going to move the 12y from this side over here because it's smaller than 17, which means I have to move the 34 over to this side. Remember, if you're moving your y's or you're moving your variable to the right-hand side, all the numbers without variables go to your left-hand side. These cancel out because they're opposites. These cancel out because they're opposites. And I'm left with 40 equals 5y. And what's my final step? And what does y equal? And we always need to do what? Check it. So what's 8 minus 2? 6. So that means I have 5/6 plus 2 equals 2 and 5/6. So let's see. I'm going to change that to a mixed number, which your calculator can do for you. And I get 17/6. And that's what it should equal. So this is my answer right here. Now, sometimes they won't work out. If they won't work out, it's called an extraneous solution. But for right now, examples 1, 2, and 3, they've worked out.